Sa uagi dalang tawon niya, nga duplikara ta, laing gidya, nga isa lang ang itsura nga may ara kita. And this is, the faces in the life that are being changed by God through the Word. We are now at the last quarter of this year. Nami kaya that we are resolved nga maghatag sing attention. We need to understand that when it comes to this, love is not just a sentiment. Kanami kayo nga ang output sang aton pagkabuhi as a believers and as a church is when God is blessing us with talents and times and treasures. We have the acts of kindness, we have some sacrifices, and we do our tasks as well as the Spirit of God is telling us of doing something. Kanami kayo that together we are making a difference, and together we are touching more people's lives. Kung may word ka ni Lord, kag in-sync ka gid sa iya, makita mo gid ya ang dako nga diferensya. So let's leave hypocrisy, let's leave this kind of old nature na mayara kita, and learn and start to love the Word, because amo lang gid na ang proof producer sang isa ka tawo nga tudtuod gid siya may relasyon kay Lord. Nga may word nga personal relationship with God, because what matters to you is that dala-dala mo ang pulong sa Ginoo. Not to be religious, but something like, basta word ni Lord ya, dako gina siya nga impact sa kabuhi mo. How come that we become a Christian, yet we are not in love with the Word? Ang aton relationship with Christ through His Word, kaya mo isang catalyst, enable us to thrive, nga mag-flourish ka dira. Kaya again, nga kinahanglan ta mag-thrive when it comes to our relationship with one another. Despite nga, kung kisa hindi mo ko gusto, hindi ta man ka gusto. Diba? May muna, no? Your relationship with God is the most important relationship you will ever have. Pero paano mo na sa ma-prove na may tudtuod kang relasyon sa iya? Is through the Word. So, ang catalyst sang pakipagrelasyon ta sa kay Lord, not just only saying, I love you, God, but through the Word. So, your relationship with God is the most important relationship you will ever have.